How to install Thunder TV on your Fire Stick. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can install Thunder TV on your Fire Stick. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first navigate to your settings menu on your Fire Stick and from there select My Fire TV and after that click on About. And once you have done that, press the select button which is in the middle button of your remote. Click that for 7 times and you will see a message confirming that you are now a developer. Next, go back to My Fire TV menu and select Developer Options. Enable ADB debugging and turn on apps from unknown sources. Now, return to your home screen and use the search function to look for the downloader app. Install it and then open the app. And in the downloader app, enter the URL for the Thunder TV APK and you will find this URL on the official Thunder TV website or another trusted sources. Click go to start downloading the APK file and once download is complete, select install to begin the installation process. And after it's installed, you will find Thunder TV in your app list. Open Thunder TV and log in with your credential and you are all set. And that's how you can install Thunder TV on your Fire Stick. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.